Hi shoppers, today we have some charging cords that are magnetic. And what I love about this is it attaches to different sizes. So this I can use for my Kindle. This is a lightning jack for any Apple devices, iPods, AirPods, iPhones, and then I also have USB-C, which is starting to be the more popular charging outlet. So basically it attaches really easily. So even if you're having a hard time, I just let it go and it automatically attached. Okay, I'll show you that again. Like even if it's difficult to get it, I'm just gonna let it go and it automatically attaches. So basically you just need your own block. It comes with 3 cords and all 3 choices. You just plug in your block, whatever block you own, to the USB on the wall, and then you attach it to whichever device you need. So I can charge my AirPods, I can put in the Kindle, charge the Kindle, or I can put in one into my iPad, and it's very easy to attach and start charging.